Hello friends, I am Professor Aswale sir from KK College Chanduri. Today we are discuss about the SYBCom Cost and Work Accounting paper first. Chapter number 2, Labor Cost, Incentive and Remuneration. Today we are discuss about the types of remuneration or methods of remuneration. The methods of remuneration of labor is 5 methods. The number first method is time or day rate system. In this method, the most common system found in practice. Under this method, worker are paid hourly, daily, weekly or monthly rate of wages. Thus, his remuneration depend upon the number of hours which is he employed and upon the amount of production. Means दिस मेथड इन दिस मेथड में हम देखते हैं कि डेली, हावरली और वीकली और मंथली रेट दिया जाता है या वेजेस दिया जाता है. उसकी सैलरी और उसकी वेजेस, उसकी जो कि तनख्वाह होती है वो उसकी डेली दी जाती है या मंथली दी जाती है या वीकली दी जाती है. उसके हिसाब के हिसाब से उसको सैलरी पेड किया जाता है. तो इसके एडवांटेजेस है. There is no dispute about the amount of payment because has the fix and very beginning of the worker known the advance he is going to getting. It possesses security from the standpoint worker because they are sure the receive their wages. Many disadvantage arising when this method will be followed. The employee bears loss resulting from the slow and sluggish workers as they are paid same wages irrespective of देयर आउटपुट. मीन्स ये मेथड में क्या होता है कि कोई वर्कर ऐसे होते हैं कि वे स्लो वर्कर रहते हैं, उनको भी उतनी ही सैलरी मिलती है जितनी कि फास्ट वर्कर को मिलती है. ये एक डिसएडवांटेजेस है दिस मेथड का. सेकेंड मेथड हम देखेंगे कि स्ट्रेट पीस वर्क रेट मेथड. दिस मेथड an improve of time rate system. Under this, a fixed rate of wage is paid for each piece or unit produced. मीन्स ईच एंड एवरी पीस और यूनिट के लिए आपको पैसा पेड किया जाता है और उसके हिसाब से आपकी सैलरी कैलकुलेट की जाती है. दिस सिस्टम इज ओनली सुटेबल वेयर वर्कर इज रिपीट रेगुलरली अ डेफिनेट ऑपरेशन और प्रोड्यूस सम टाइप्स ऑफ प्रोडक्ट कंटिन्यूसली. मेनली एम्प्लॉयर्स इन इंडिया हैव इंट्रोड्यूस दिस सिस्टम एंड इट हैज बीन फाउंड इफिशिएंट, easy and economical. That is, for the application of this system, a careful study of this conducted. The combination of day rate and piece rate system. Under this system is minimum weekly wages and the fix of every worker. Because this method में wages ये fix रहता है which shall be paid for irrespective of his output during the week. The piece rate system is combined with the following these concepts. A job card of each maintained which clearly show a number of pieces of job completed by the worker during the week. Piece work rate, each job is fixed in advance. The next one method is third one method is time rate versus piece rate. In this piece rate system, worker has paid per piece of the job and no consideration of time taken is made. Actually, this system is an improvement of time rate system of payment. This system gives workers, every workman, of opportunity to earn more by putting more efforts and at the same time output also increase. मीन्स जो वर्कर ज़्यादा डिवोशन देगा उसको ज़्यादा सैलरी मिलेगी और जो वर्कर हाथ रख के काम करेगा उसको उसकी सैलरी उतनी ही कम होती जाएगी. ये टाइम रेट मेथड में सीखने वाले हैं. नेक्स्ट वन मेथड इज द incentive and profit sharing ratio. Supplementary compensation, it's called as. Incentive refers to perform compensation paid to improve motivation or productivity of the employee. It is related to the direct or indirectly to the productivity and profitability of the enterprises and the include of the all plans that provide extra pay. The wage incentive scheme is a managerial device of increase of workers' productivity. It can